Okay, my friends, I saw you working so hard. On the count of three, I want you to hold up your papers close to your camera and nice and still so I can see all your great math thinking today. 1, 2, 3. And here you want to scan to look for two different strategies that students use, and you'll think through planning out these strategies in advance. If you don't see the two strategies you're anticipating, that's okay, but this will just give you a good scan of what children were able to do independently and what strategies they used. Okay, friends, go ahead and put your papers down, and I want you to watch me super, super careful, super close, because I have two friend strategies to share today. And as I share, I want you to think about if you did a similar strategy or if you did a different strategy. So watch really careful. The first friend strategy I'm going to share with you today is Emily. Here's what I saw Emily do. And ideally in a classroom, we'd have students share out their strategy here. So you can try that by having the student unmute and share. Or depending on time, you can go ahead and kind of model what you saw the student do yourself here. So I'm going to do more of the modeling myself, but I could also pepper in some questions for the student here. So I'll kind of model that too. Okay, so Emily drew 6 children on swings and she used circles for each student. So she said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then she drew 9 children playing tag with 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then Emily, can you tell us how you figured out how many children were playing on the playground? And here you're looking for Emily to share how she counted. I'm going to pretend she counted on, and I would model that strategy on paper for kids. Good, so Emily counted on. Here's what she did, friends. Watch how I show her math thinking. She knew there were 6 already, so she didn't count those 6. She just said 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Emily, how many children were on the playing on the playground? 15. Good. And Emily's number sentence to represent her strategy is 6 plus 9 equals 15. And hopefully eventually your students can share that number sentence too. Great. There's one more strategy I wanted to share with you today, and that's from Carlos. Here's what Carlos did, friends. Carlos showed 6 students on the swings like this. Then he showed 9 students playing tag like this. And Carlos used a super cool strategy today, friends. He saw that 9 only needs 1 more to make 10, and he took that 1 more from the 6. And he said 10 plus 5 here equals 15. And there were 15 children on the playground. Nice work, Carlos. You also might have shown that like this with a number bond, which I know we've been practicing, boys and girls. So watch. See. 6 plus 9 equals, and I was trying to figure that out. Well, I know it's 15, but watch. I can take the 1 from the 6, and there's 5 left, put that 1 with the 9 to get 10, plus my 5 more gives me 15. Good job, Carlos. And ideally here, I'd also ask kids a question here. What do you notice that's the same about their strategies? What's different about their strategies? But for purpose, sometimes for time, you might be too much in a time crunch to do that, and that's okay. All right, friends. Last step, we're going to write our sentence to represent our answer. Let's reread our question. Everyone read with me. How many children are playing on the playground? Who can tell us our word sentence? Good. There are 15 children playing on the playground. Take a few more seconds to write that nice, neat, complete sentence, friends. Great job problem solving today.